Hi there, I'm Brianna Keilar and I report the news for CNN, but I'm also part of a military family. My husband is in the Army and I have 2 little kids, and so for this special month, the month of the military child, I want to read you a book. Here goes. My daddy joined the Army. He's away from me and mommy, and I don't like it. Not one bit. Sometimes I even pitch a fit, and sometimes I regret it. Daddy's unit was deployed, his work is far away, and though we are not overjoyed, a soldier must obey. The Army said we couldn't go, and Dad said stay right here and wait for me till I get back in just about a year. It looks like they said goodbye to him around summer and they have to go through fall and winter and spring before they're going to see him again, right?